3. Hello from South Bend, Indiana. The trip has been amazing so far. I've met awesome people on the road. People that just come and talk to you and ask you where you're going. They tell you their stories.
That, sir, is a nice ride.
Thank you very much.
I've had a bunch of BMWs in my younger life, but this is a beauty. How far are you going?
Thank you. LA.
Where? LA?
LA, yes.
Be safe, brother.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
It's been really good, and no rain, which was awesome. And yeah, 750 miles in. I don't know how many more to go. Many states to go. Today I'm gonna go through Wisconsin and probably gonna pass by Minnesota. I'm not entirely sure, but let's keep going. And thank you, by the way, to all of you who have been following and commenting and sharing. You rock.
Day 3, here we go. Leaving a little later than I wanted today. I took it easy, I was a little tired. 382 miles to go. We'll be probably getting to the next place at around 7 p.m. accounting for stops and things like that. But yeah, a little hot, but very rested. And the hotel had breakfast, so that was good. I mean, it wasn't anything special, but some food is always good. I just passed a sign that said, "Welcome to Central Time Zone." So I just won 1 hour. I think my phone and my bike are not synchronized yet, but it's officially 10:13 a.m. Nice. The jet lag will start to kick in, I guess. The rider is not wearing a helmet. God. Question for everybody. Would you not wear a helmet if you were given the choice? I would always wear a helmet. Wisconsin. Woo! One more state for Betty here. My war horse. Wisconsin welcomes you. My odometer just hit 4,000 miles. Woo! I did a quick stop to refresh because it was so hot, and look at that, 4,000 miles. Let's go, Betty. This is just beautiful. Wow. And I believe the one on the right is the Mississippi River. Ah, nice. Wow. How cool. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. Oh, what a day. What a ride. What an adventure. You can't see it, but I have a big smile on my face. I am happy I decided to stay here tonight and not in Madison. It was a little over 200 miles, and I could make some, make some time actually there, or win some time, however you say it, by riding about 100 miles more. And with the time change, I won an hour. So great, 6 p.m. All right, downtown is nice. Very nice. Enough of music. Enough. Let's relax for a bit. For 2 minutes, maybe. What a day. What a day. I'm right next to the river, which is awesome. Alright, Bourbon and Burgers. That place looks good. Yeah, no more Subway, please. No more Subway. this is my hotel here on the left. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cool. Great pick. I'm actually proud of that one. Well, look at that, a fellow biker.